How's everybody this morning? How you guys all doing? Yes, Christopher too. Christopher, I've been still getting, yeah, me too. I've been getting, Sanjay has been contacting me. He is alive. Yeah, man. Wow. You guys are getting schwackled with this shit, man. Wow, man. Holy crap. Wow. Do we got any echoing here, my friends? I'm gonna just get that right out of the way. Welcome back, everybody. Let's get set up here this morning. Let's get shit up. Okay, cool guys, cool. Okay, yeah, guys. There's definitely a bunch of entities attacking our channel too. Talking about people getting sick. Put this up a bit. Yeah, it's getting really bad, guys. Just so everybody's aware of that. I know some people just don't even go out anymore. Some people just watch our channel and just watch TV. But I'm just saying that be careful, guys and ladies, when you go out. Just use precautionary stuff. I know a lot of people do that, and they still come down with this. Yeah, it's just crazy. It's gotten to the point where this shit's totally fucked right up, man. And it's gonna be here for years and years. So. It is what it is. It's our new norm. Enough of that. On the positive note, okay, we did. I'm just going to have a look here. I just wanted to have a look at the chart. I never had a chance to have a look yesterday. What did we close at? Yeah, we did have we did have a pull down. Yeah, we did. We had exactly what I said was going to happen. We went down 2.5. Okay. Yeah, we went down exactly what I was talking about. Shit, I hate being right when it goes down though. But like I said, there is some positive stuff out of this. Okay, I've been having some big debates, and I know I'm right on this. Okay, I've just with some people that just a couple of them aren't even on the channel, just totally just head to head with this stuff, right? About this. About the $70 range, $72, whatever the hell it is. About the amount of people selling. Oh, nobody sold. Yeah, they did, and lots sold. Those documents that I have show that. The numbers show that. Everybody, not everybody, but most people, when you guys see that volume means two different things on a stock market. What does volume mean? The inside of something, okay, and the whole inside of something, like a cup, the volume, liquid volume of this cup would be the coffee, right? Okay, out of that coffee, do we know what's creamer and what's coffee? No, we can find that out though. But as far as I'm concerned, it's volume, and it's liquid volume. Okay, same as volume on the stock market. Sold and bought, it's all volume until you separate it with a formula. Okay, so I just wanted to be very clear on that. I know you guys, you're like, what the fuck is this dumb session? Is this retard session here? No, some people just don't know that. So that's why we use things like the MACD to separate that kind of stuff. There's signals, there's histograms, there's a whole bunch of stuff that we can use for that. That's what the VWAP is. Okay, there's a volume signal. Okay, my friends, I just want a little bit of a lesson this morning. Just there's some uncertainty. It's not really on our channel. It's the Reddit guys and ladies again. Jeez, how about that, eh? Wow. So anyways, I just had some, I got a little bit of attacked a little bit last night on some of my messages. I pulled them down right away just because we don't need that type of shit on our channel. Okay, anyways, I'm going to keep on talking about this because it's something we need to talk about because we're going to be hitting lots of this kind of stuff. It is good in a way. We're getting under people's fucking skin. The wolf pack is irritating people, and I like it in a good way. So we're getting out there and we're irritating the shit, and I know Christopher loves this shit. We're like little bugs under their skin. But yeah, that's what we're doing. We're starting to irritate people because we're right. And it fucking pisses people off. A certain group of people, and we found kind of the group where they hang out. Majority of them is they don't like to see people get ahead. They don't like people organized. They don't like people congregating in a happy bunch. Okay, they like to throw things in there. They like to cause chaos. They just love it. Okay, there's more and more of that happening every day. And it seems to be this younger generations that are coming up, which is sad. They just have nothing to do. I don't know what it is. Right? It's love locking horns with us wolves, right? And the older wolves. It's weird. It's weird, but we've been around for a while, so we're always right in the majority of things. If we're not, we'll find the friggin' answer. We won't modify documents and shit to make ourselves look good. So, here and there, I just wanted to go on about the volume, about the selling of that. We know for sure the numbers are almost just over half. It was like 58% sold. Okay, and I know some of I'm not saying this to put people. I wish I would have sold. To be honest with you, I could have made $100,000. I didn't though. Some people did, and some people made some fucking money and paid their taxes and bought triple the stock, double the stock, and they're in on the market today. They did real. That's a good move. Fucking thumbs up on that, man. Smarter than I was, right? You were gambling like you guys were gambling hard though on that one. That could have went either way. So I just couldn't bear with it, and because of the real and synthetics, which it is what it is. We know that we all own synthetics. Maybe we own a couple real ones, but highly unlikely, because I'll tell you guys right now, because the sell volume was astronomical, the amount that was sold. I can't even fathom it. We're talking like double the float was sold. Okay, I'm serious, because of all the synthetics, right? And then it was about triple was bought back. Okay, they brought more people with them just because people talked about selling it. It just because it's talked about gets people going. They buy more. The price is cheap. They could see what it potentially could go to. They were part of the $72 rise. It is what it is. That's factual information, right? So, here's what the kicker is. We were talking about, and we've had multiple people ask us, and it just is like a revolving door, which I don't mind answering. Hopefully it's not the same people and it's newer people asking. Why don't the hedgies cover? Why don't they cover their short positions? Because they can't. Okay. And they would cover, if they could cover a 16th of their portfolio, we would see that on here. We would see it plain as day. It would cause a potential FOMO a little bit of gamma, not FOMO. It would cause a little bit of gamma happen. You would see it sporadically kick, right? Nothing got covered. Okay, nothing. So that is actually a fucking 100% indicator, okay, that we don't own real shares, because what was sold onto the open market from us people that sold, right? I'm not talking about buying it back, I'm talking about the sell. If those are real shares like they said they were, the hedgies would have scooped them up and bought, because they can see what real shares aren't. They would have fucking went crazy. They would have bought them up and started covering their positions right away. Right away. We're talking within seconds of getting those shares, or minutes to hours, because they wouldn't shelf them, because they're paying high unseen percents of interest and margin on them. Does that make any sense to you, my friends? Think about that one for the day, okay? I've been thinking about that one for about 2 days now. So it sucks we own synthetics, yeah, but it actually paints a huge picture. You have to step back and look at it. Do a pullback of the whole situation, okay? So we were right. Actually, there's a lady on our channel named Dee. Okay, she comes on here. She's one of my good friends. She's the one that did the investigation on the computer shares. Okay, very, very good. Wow, she should be a private investigator. The way that she handles stuff, I think that she runs it like she would, like she runs her business. Very like verbatim, like bam, 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 professional. She gets factual information and doesn't sway off of it. She keeps on going and continuing and continuing and compiling and compiling. She got us every friggin' answer we got, right to the T on that stuff. And that solved, that answered all my questions about synthetics. And then I called my bank up and got a double whammy. This just validated it, my friends, okay? I know I'm a little bit off on this today, off of a different, veering off, but we need to know this, okay? This is very good information, okay? The squeeze would have been over, okay? And if only half the shorts covered, okay, it would have fucked everything up, okay? It wouldn't have turned into a short squeeze, okay? I'm telling you right now, it would have kicked, and then the FOMO would have kicked in, and then the shorts couldn't find other shares to buy unless it got to over the 100 to 200 or 180 to $250 mark, where people started selling, okay? And I don't give a shit. I'm holding till this, I'm holding to that. Yeah, we really seen it at the $72 mark. Come on. Yeah. You know what I mean? Like, there's so much bullshit out there that it's fucking hilarious. And I just, it is what it is, man. These people talking about, oh, I'm solid, I'm fucking holding, and those are all the people that sold. So anyways, it is what it is. I'm not writing anybody about selling. I'm just trying to, if you look what I'm saying by doing a pullback of the whole situation, I'm just saying that we validated the synthetics. We validated that the fucking float is fucking huge over shorted or sold and shorted. These numbers are true. What we're saying, the short interest and volume. The bottom line is that that with the shorts would have covered. Okay, it's not that easy. This is a very complex fucking short squeeze. Okay, it's very, very, it's crazy. It's crazy. This validates that, my friends, we're gonna have fucking issues. Okay, the world is going to cry tears over this one. Okay, when I say that, it's gonna fuck the economy bad. Okay, I'm telling you guys right now. It is what it is. We got to talk. There's some things I got to talk to you guys about. If you own big positions and stuff like that, interest rates are going to go up, and there's going to be no money. This goes all back to, by them printing extra money, Canada, States, and the UK pretty much doubled down this big fucking crisis. 2008 is nothing. This is gonna ripple. Evergrande is tied into this. This is all coincides together. Evergrande's repercussions has not hit the States really yet. It's gonna all happen about the same time. Things are gonna go up in price. You think they're high now, and it's gonna be bad. I'm not fucking fearing you guys out, but I'm just giving you a heads up that we're gonna have some videos coming out, and to get you guys prepared for this. Okay, this is very serious. I know that in the past, I even think about it too. Fuck, Cameron, you always overreact on stuff. You always go for a little whatever. But fuck, I've been right about almost everything, and I'm not just blowing smoke up my own ass. It's just I don't even know why I am right. I don't know why. It is what it is. And between the group of people I'm surrounded on the channel, it seems that we are all think the same thing. I've talked to a couple of people. And the 2008 was bad, but it only affected a certain group of people. It didn't really affect everybody, okay? It affected the middle class, okay? And the rich, to some degree. Okay, this is going to be a harsh reset button. Be prepared, okay? What you're going to see across the market is failure, okay? Some of you guys own big positions like pension funds, all these big fucking stocks, like Apple, like Tesla, like big fucking Bitcoin, like big chunks of this shit. It's gonna be worth fucking nothing, okay? I'm telling you right now, straight up, okay? I'm not telling you guys to sell. I'm telling you guys better have a fucking wide shoulder and tough skin, because you think that you're losing money on AMC. Looking at your portfolio, you're gonna be worth nothing. You're going to be worth hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars. You'll be worth hundreds of dollars, okay? So all you need to do is just hold it out, right? Just hold it out. That's all I'm saying. Or get into some different positions, and that's where I come in. Okay, I'm going to be talking to you guys about a couple things that are safe. And the fire sale, we're approaching it with a reset button it's a reset button for middle class and lower class to become multi-millionaires and become the upper tier elite. Okay, within about 5 to 10 years, you should be able to accomplish that. And if not, there's fucking something wrong with you. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Okay, enough of that. I just had to get that out of the way. I was on the phone pretty late last night, talking to some people. Okay, my friends, Wolfpack. So, Jay, good morning. Christopher, good morning. Lee on the line, good morning. Gluck, good morning. Michael, good morning. Warren, how you doing? Hope you're feeling better. You're still with us, bro. I was thinking about you, man. Mr. L, good morning. Sanjay, how you doing, brother? I'm surprised you are awake, dude. Enough to I know everything's a blur to you right now, bud, but wow. Just hang in there, drink lots of liquids, bro. Make sure you got your kids checking up on you all the time, bud. Okay? If I was there, I'd be coming over and, well, I wouldn't be, but I'd be bugging you from your window, knocking on your fucking window and bugging you. Okay, good morning, everybody. So we're gonna get into some stuff. I'm gonna be shooting some videos about this stuff. Jan, good morning. I did get you. Sanjay did contact you through an email. You guys can talk now. Very, very good. You guys are good people. You're going to totally get along. Just stay the fuck away from him right now, Jan, for a couple days. That's all. Anyways, Michael, good morning. Other Michael, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. MC, good morning. JA, good morning. JTM33, good morning. Bass, good morning. Long time no see, bro. Yeah, projecting a 32.3 min crash early spring. I can see something. There's a lot of that happening around YouTube right now. It's real. I don't know to what degree. I'm going to have some prosperous videos, I call them, to prosper off of it, to recover off of it, to minimize it, and to catch the tailwinds from it. Okay, or to just fucking buckle down and just hold it out. Okay. Oh, Lee on the line. Good. Hey, how's it going, guys? I hope this thing fucking goes. It's gonna by the way everybody's poor, everything's broke, is not good for AMC. I'm just telling you that right now. It's good and it's not. Okay, if people are gonna sell earlier. That doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because we don't own fucking real shares. Okay, you guys got to remember that. Okay, we've already validated that. We already fucking know that. It doesn't matter if almost 3/4 of the people sell. It won't do anything to the short squeeze at all. I'm telling you that right now because the shorts don't want their fucking shares. They'll still have to buy them, the institutions, because they're obligated to. So it is what it is. Kevin, I'm glad you're on here. What's Christopher? Can you throw your email up, bro? Please? I don't see it skyrocketing anytime soon. You're right, Bass, about that, but why would I have a question for you. Why would hyping it? I understand. I know what you're trying to say. Why hyping it? Why do you think that would start the catalyst or the entity to kick it? I'm telling you right now, there's dark pool and payment forward flow. They're only going to allow a certain amount. There's so many shares that are sitting on a shelf or vaulted that are just sitting there that they're sitting there since fucking January that they haven't let onto the market. I'm telling you that right now, and that's straight up. They can do that because they're not real shares. How do you get in contract with Sanjay? Sanjay's a little sick right now, brother. I can give you his email, but Christopher's going to give you his email right now and get you put on his master list for the notification push. Good morning, Cookin'. I just wanted to give you, so back to that question about that. And the thing is it lost interest in the news and media. Okay. If we owned real shares, yes, we would need that, but it won't really do anything. Okay, it will cause volume to come in, but they control the volume. They always have. We got proof of that. Okay, if it was real shares, yes, that would make a huge difference. Okay, but that's back to what I was saying. Okay, we know a little bit more than the average person because of what we have. We have the actual physical documents. That we have the fucking holy grail to AMC and pretty much every stock in the world. I can see right to the physical numbers, who has registered, who owns, who's sold, straight up. We've gone through the list a couple times on our private network, and we're going to do it. We're going to keep on doing it. So yeah, Bass, that's awesome, good shit. Kermit, how you doing? I need to be on the list. Yeah, it's all okay. You need to be on the list then, Christopher. The list to the private chat, my friends. You gotta be. I'm gonna be crystal clear on this. The day before, like in the next week or so, you need to have a Wolfpack emblem beside you. The channel, the server, you won't be allowed in the server, and that's nothing to do with us. Okay. The way it works is that the codes will be posted for members. Okay. It only shows up for members. YouTube knows if you're a member or not. Okay. Just the way it is. It's $1.99, and it's for the full month. Server is allowed to go to the server and do whatever you want, strictly for that, nothing else. It's just the way that we have to have it. That's nothing to do with me. That's to do with the moderator. That's all to do with him. I just very, very clear on that. I think Jeremy will wrap up in a couple months here. The thing is the only way the short squeeze, and that's what I'm saying, guys. Wolfpack, we are in the top 1%, okay, of getting very rich and well off, above almost everybody else in the world. I'm telling you right now, okay. We have, like I said, if you look back and do the pullback of what I was talking about this morning, I'm gonna go a little bit over and stay a little bit late today just to explain this to you guys. The reason why I explained all this, there's always a moral to the story when I tell a story. Okay, the $72, a lot of those people sold. We know that, we have that proof. Okay, not one hedge firm covered because there wasn't any real shares in that fucking whole, almost out of that fucking billion. Well, there's 500 million shares. Well, they sold over 1 billion. Okay, straight up, there was 1 billion shares sold back to whoever the fuck they went to, and not one hedge fund covered. Okay, I'm telling you right now that the institutions can see what are real. They pick through them. Those fucking shares are gone a long time ago. So what that tells, the bottom of the story is, the only way that this short squeeze will start, okay, crystal clear on this, is that the hedge fund, the price gets up and the hedge funds have a battle, okay, over shares online, on after hours. Just like I was gonna say, this will kick a short squeeze. Okay, we're gonna see it after hours. Okay, no other time. We might see a little bit, but nothing compared to after hours. Okay, so what's gonna happen is one of these motherfuckers, these institutions, it doesn't matter which one's gonna dump. They're gonna get tired of it. They're just gonna say fuck it, and they're gonna dump. Okay, soon as they dump their shares, I'm not, because there's lots out there. Some of these only share, it only will take 2 to 3% of that float to be dumped after hours. Will cause a fucking tidal wave. Those sharks will just you'll see the fucking kick. That kick will kick the price up, okay? Because they're real shares, and they're gonna go fucking, the whole world's, all the hedge funds are gonna go, and they're gonna start fighting over those fucking shares. Same as when, have you ever tried to buy a house when there's a bidding war? Same shit. It'll be behind the scenes bidding war for those shares, okay? Because it's stretched out so long, these original owners want their shares back. That's how it's gonna happen. 100% hands down, it's going to be a different short squeeze than any other short squeeze on the market. That's how it's going to happen, because I've seen this already happen before. Usually it's the other way around. Volkswagen, there wasn't synthetics like this. They're totally fucking different squeeze. Totally different. Not even close, okay? I thought it was. Everybody else did. Totally different. I've looked at the numbers of the last week. I've been looking at this. I have enough information to come forward and tell you guys that this is how it is, and that the only way that when this short squeeze happens, it's going to end. It's going to go and then it's going to end. It's all going to end after hours and that. It's all going to be up to when the institutions sell. When the institutions start selling, it's over. Once they're gone, it's gone. So the average, we can't, how the fuck are we supposed to know when the institutions are sold? Well, that's where I come in, because now I got a fucking stock generator, okay, I came up with. So this thing, you put all your after-hour share numbers in it, and it generates and gives you an average, okay? It's the same information with my fucking trading bot. Same idea, and the software works fucking brilliant, okay? So, what the bottom line is, we will be able to see, I put the video out there, but I wasn't to this degree. We will be able to see what institutions have already sold, okay? And once the big top tier, if they're left open on the top, which I'm assuming they will be, because they got a substantial amount, if they haven't sold yet, that's the time to pull the pin, okay? As soon as they sell, it'll all be over before you even wake up in the morning. I'm telling you right now, it's a different type of short squeeze than anything else. These big fucking numbers that these guys are waiting to go to are on glue. Totally on glue. It has nothing to do with retail investors. It's the same as the Volkswagen squeeze in a lot of ways like that. This is between the government and the fucking Porsche. Pretend it like that, okay? There's nothing to do with retail investors now, because we proved that the institutions own all the shares now, okay? We've proven it, because look at all the shares that were sold in the $72. They would have covered. If those are real shares, hedge funds some of them would have gone out, because that was a lot of shares, not one of them, okay? So that validates the information that I'm saying all along. We are going to be fucking protected. Don't worry about it. I'm not concerned about it. I'm very fucking positive. We have the goods here. It is what it is, guys. And just fucking buckle down. Buckle down. So, I think that I'm almost positive that on this channel, because of the tools I gave you in the toolbox, if you used them to the best of your knowledge and you ask for help to use them, I'm talking about all the screen recorder, all of this stuff, you will reap 10 to 15 times more money than the average investor on the stock market on this stock. I'm telling you right now, hands down. Okay. Okay, there you guys go. Christopher's right there. There you go, bro. There's Christopher's information, guys. I was just waiting for him to come on here. Christopher's information is right here. So any questions, my friends? I'll answer any questions you got. I know I veered off this morning. I had to talk to you guys about that. I was waiting. I've known this for about a week and a bit. I just had to verify some numbers, and I had to get that fucking generator working to validate it. Okay? I had to see if it would to do. Okay, so I'm going to pull up his name up on the top, Christopher's email. Okay, guys, this email right here is Christopher's. Okay, it's going to the top. Bye-bye. Right to the top. So, do you think this will keep stretching out? No, not rest. It can go either way, my friends. You have to think these institutions are hurting too. Okay, there's a lot of people. A lot of these institutions are in bankruptcy protection too. Okay, because of COVID and stuff. You have to remember that it's not the best scenario for these hedge funds and big bucking institutions to be in right now. It's not cream of the crop area. They're in very touchy waters. If the interest rates start going up, which they will, if it goes up, if the interest rate goes up 1 to 1.5% per premium, they're gonna start fucking, they're gonna start liquidating their stocks. I can tell you right now, okay, because that's huge for a company. They're, like I said, they're on the hurt. And it is what it is. It is not going to really change anything, but this is a different type of short squeeze than anybody's seen before across the market. Straight up, there's a whole bunch of shit that is totally different. Technology is not on our side on this, okay? It's against us in a lot of ways, unless you are the wolf pack. We can adapt to fucking anything. We're wolves, man. Straight up, okay? If it was me by myself and I didn't have an IT like Christopher, it would be a different ball game. I can bounce shit off of his head. All I need to do is, am I on the right track? Is this true? Can this happen? And he goes, yep. I just keep on going forward. Okay? So that's all I need to get from him. He isn't really involved in any of the stuff. He just validates stuff unless I have problems. But that's why my laptop fucked up yesterday. I overloaded it, okay? With some software. And it is what it is. I had to format it. I got it running again. Everything's running fine on it. It just it just pooched. I've never seen that before, man. It was just I was using that generator on there, and I was generating and just trying to figure out some stuff on there, and it fucked up the computer because it reads off of zeros, ones, and stuff. You know how it does the not matrix, but you know, it's too involved for you guys. I'll just mess you guys' heads up. So anyways, it fucked it up. It couldn't handle it. So guys, it is what it is. Nothing's really changed. Okay? You guys should be happy. Okay? Because without us knowing all this stuff, we'd be fucking blindsided. Everybody else is going to be hoping a different, or going with a different way. Okay? We have our own groove, and we're, we nailed it. Okay? I was kind of thought I was off in left field a little bit with some of my, but no, man. I don't know what drawed me to this side. To very look at it, and the institutions hold the key. I know a lot of people are saying, well, what the fuck, who cares? There's nothing to do with the institutions. We own the fucking flow. Yeah, we do. We own the fucking fucking pile of shit synthetics. Straight up, okay? So we need to pull that fucking out of our ass and stop walking around with our head like this high and pay attention to shit, okay? And stop thinking, we own this, we're good, we're cool, we're this, we're that. Yeah. Those people are going to be saying that as they're waiting for millions of dollars a share too, right? It is what it is. We're going to get our money, but guys, it's only going to be a selected few that are going to do good. Okay, I can tell you that right now. Okay, my friends, and you guys are one of them. Okay, guys, do you have any questions at all? I'm going to go back. And I'm more positive than ever on this. This is awesome, man. This is fucking awesome. This is right in my territory, this shit. Okay? I'm fucking starting to have fun now, guys. I know maybe, I don't know if you guys you might be stressed out, maybe if you don't know. I know uncertainty is fearful, but I'm not. I'm very, very, I'm seeing shit, and I can see shit happening that I couldn't see before. Before I was uncertain a little bit. Now I'm in my groove. Fuck yeah. Bring this shit on. Okay? I like a little bit of a challenge. I totally understand this. And guys, don't be, it's good between morals. Like, yeah, you guys don't change your figures. It's not going to change anything unless you were fucking thinking 50 to 100,000 to a million. Okay? Then you got a fucking problem. Okay? Just keep your system. I made these systems up for a reason, okay? They're the tools in our toolkit. They're there for you guys to use. Use them, okay? If you don't use these systems, you're fucked. I'm telling you right now. Unless you own just a lot of shares, okay? One lot that you can dump and that's all you got, then different things apply to you. I'm just telling you. The why I said that this group will reap 10 to 15 times more than the other investors across the fucking world. We're talking again, this group against billions of people, and yes, up in the one top percent tier. And I'm fucking 100% behind that. And that's factual information, is because we have all these tools that nobody else has. Okay, I'm telling you right now. They're not even thinking the fucking same way as us. It's just that it is what it is, right? It is what it is. At the end, you guys will fucking see it. Yeah, 2 billion. Damn it, Warren, I was gonna sell some. So what do we need to do to try sell between halts? No, Glock. No, what we do is the same thing. The tools. I have those tools there, and nothing's changed. If you don't use those tools, and there's only one way that those tools that I wouldn't use them, is if you have one lot of shares. If you're gonna use the 3 system, like I said, we got all these tools. We got a private server, okay? We got the knowledge to use the same stock screener as your stock. That's a tool, okay? For internet lag and internet choking and fucking pinging. Pinging off towers takes a couple seconds. Well, if you got 10 pings, you're looking at fucking 10 seconds times 6 that's a minute lost, okay? So we got that information. We got live chat 24 hours a day. Those are tools, okay? Those are huge tools. The 3 system selling feature, that's a tool in the toolbox. Now we have the A/B lots of the system 3, 2. Depends on the algorithm, vibrations. Are they angry, or are they fucking up and down jagged? Okay? Or are they fucking relaxed and woo, like this? Like the Volkswagen squeeze was very relaxed. And you guys are, no, it wasn't. Yeah, it was. Those are relaxed vibrations. They're not angry. Okay? I've showed you angry on the last Prague, when it was fucking going over 2,000%. And it was kicking and fucking breaking breakers and fucking everything else. That's angry. Okay, that's what we don't want. Okay, that's really hard to fucking predict, but I got the tools for that. Okay, so guys, it is what it is. This is fucking, it's a different ball game. Like, this is for the fucking elite. Okay, I'm telling you right now, you gotta know what the fuck you're doing. Okay, it is what it is. Okay, we're doing this shit. Okay, and I've come up with this stuff for a reason, okay? And then we got the AZ screen recorder. That's another tool. Those tools are to validate if there's other issues. If this thing gets suspended, is different than halting. If it gets suspended for 30 days, 6 months, beyond, you have that tool to recap on a class action lawsuit, okay? Without that tool, you're fucked. You're fucked. You will not succeed in a class action lawsuit without voice recognition, fucking video camera stuff, keystrokes on your cell phone, proving that you own the shares, proving that the actual numbers were on the... There's so many things that fucking validates. Okay, that's another tool that you have. We have our fucking SEC documents, this privileged correspondence, right? That is another tool. That's like a big fucking battery pack of tools. Okay, we got that. You guys got me. That's a tool. I'm a tool. Get it? A joke? Okay, we got 2 moderators. Those are fucking tool assets. Okay? Are you guys starting to see this picture yet? Are you guys starting to see this? Okay? I can go on and on and on. Okay? You guys got a whole bunch of fucking tools at your guys' hands that no other channel has. Okay? I'm just telling you right now. So don't worry about it. And the knowledge now. The knowledge. Everybody else is fucking trying to figure out these algorithm vibrations and, oh, I got this figured out. Fuck, I was doing that when I was fucking the beginning of this shit with my trading bot and that. I already figured it out. I told you guys how the fucking thing runs. Why do you think I can pick up halting? Because I know the vibrations. I know what it's set for. The volatility on the kick. Okay? And I will show you guys that. You guys can take that to the open market when you're day trading. You'll make lots of fucking money on that. If you can pull that shit out of your ass, the fucking kicks on the fucking breakers, on the algorithm kicks before it halts, you will know what's going on, okay? It just will make more sense to you. We're going to have a game with that in the squeeze, and yes. So there you guys go. So, is everybody on Voyager? I don't know. I don't have that up here. Go to the community tab on the channel. Yeah, there you go. Thanks, guys. Oh, and then we have, I forgot to tell you guys that. Yeah, I put up that private meeting, join the 150. Yeah, don't pay for the expensive one unless you want to pay for to talk to me live via your house and your family and all that stuff, or whatever, with your friends. I can talk to you live multiple times a month, just privately about stuff. There's also that on there for you guys too, and I have those options on there. That one's all right, but it is what it is. It's just, it takes a lot of my time, right? Lauren, I use okay, I don't know anything about that. I don't know what you guys are talking about, but it's all good. What's the private chat? I think I'm missing that part. It's inside the VIP lounge. Okay. I'm not selling anything till, yeah. Good for you, Warren, yeah. Try to sell between halts. Well, we all are going to be doing that, my friends. And one thing that I got to emphasize, okay? I'm going to give you guys a little hint, and it's not financial advice, hands down. Do not try selling after hours or before the market opens. You're going to fuck yourself, okay? Those tickets will be fucking sitting there for a while. They're not going to execute it at night. I'm telling you right now, because there's nobody open at night. It's a computer, okay? So I'm just telling you right now, it's all done by computer anyways now, but I'm just telling you right now, you're setting yourself up to get them. What they're going to do is shelf it for a couple, they're going to shelf it till the morning for about minutes for an hour, up to an hour or so, and then they're going to execute it at a different price, okay? You'll get fucked. I'm telling you right now, if that's what you're thinking, not a good move. You're on their way to fucking start losing money right away. It's not a good start. Nobody asked that on here. I'm just I know how some of you guys think. With the floor, I can't discuss that. Yeah, we got hit with a storm here too. Not just making plans if this does. Yeah, great tips. Thank you. Yeah, man. No, I tell it how it is. Like, I've been sitting on some of this stuff for a while, and I've just been itching to tell you guys. I can't tell you until I validate the fucking factual information. It has to be at least 90 to 95% accurate for me, or else I might as well just pick up a fucking Reddit cigar, kick back and light it up, and fucking join the goof clowns in Reddit, right? Not all of them, but I'm talking, like, you guys know what I'm talking about, man. There's a fucking whack of these young little punks out there that are fucking just, wow. It's just this fucking, I'm not all, 90% of them are okay. It's just there's a group of retards that fucking just go around harassing people. One of our guys got harassed last night on it pretty bad, actually. And guys, and ladies, with our information, I don't mind if you share it with other groups. If you do share it with other groups, be prepared to get attacked, okay? The way we do things is a little bit different. To somebody that's totally following an old, unjustified way, that is not picked up in time. They're just used to this, like the Volkswagens, like all these other squeezes, without knowing what we know. It looks like you're gonna fuck this up. Just let them do whatever they want, okay? I've been fighting like this ever since I started this fucking channel, okay? Being called names, being fucking, you don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, sure, I don't know what I'm talking about, eh? Really? Like, look at all the shit we fucking do, and look at all the shit that's come true, okay? So just let them have that fucking retard action, okay? Don't play into it. Just keep on doing what you're doing. You guys are doing an awesome job, and it is what it is, okay? Uncertainty and differency is imperancy. Okay, remember that. Okay, to the average that has not experienced it, different is not looked upon as good. It's different. It's not. It's you get, people are jaded from different. People don't like change. Okay, people bug people that are different. People, it's just not normal. So not normal is different, right? It's just, it's not good. Okay, but you have to adapt. Okay, wolves adapt to shit. We adapt to anything. Okay, and that's what we're doing. Okay, my friends, good questions. Love ya. I gotta go to work. Oh, hey D, good. Yeah, good morning. I had a good talk last night too. And also D has something for you guys Saturday to talk about. Yes, Ryan Lawrence. Yes, that's what I'm trying to. Yes, you nailed it. Yes, yes, yes. That's what I'm saying. That there's a. That's what I'm saying. Yes, yes. To this degree, yes, 100%, and that's why there's. They could, Mr. L, but it won't work to their advantage. No, and if they start doing that, like you're controlling it, like Tesla, like that, it won't work because there's too many synthetics out there, and it would be what it would be doing is they would be fucking with institutions, not retail investors. They would eventually run out of money because the institution's an institution; it can't change. Retail investors keep on coming in, get fucked over, leave, go back, make more money, come in and keep on doing it, or send new friends in. It's a revolving door of money coming in. It's a money cash cow. An institution, when you take the money from it, it don't regroup. It's done. You know what I'm saying? So we're wolves, they're sheep. Okay. Yeah, guys and ladies, have a good day, and don't worry about it. We're fucking golden. We're singing better than we ever have. And in about, you're probably already starting to see that, I think, when I started explaining about all the tools in the toolbox and all that stuff. Think about that for a while. Think about all the stuff, all the weird and different things that we've done on this channel that have come true, okay? And that are just like, fuck, wow. It's so absurd and so peculiar and different that it's yeah, it's weird. Not one except you guys, not one person has come back to the channel after fucking and saying, oh man, you were right. It never works like that. Okay, it never works like that, and I don't want that. Okay, love you guys. Peace.